This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Senait Andemicael. New construction. Welcome to the Weatherby Floor plan by Anglia Homes. Come by now to make interior selections before it goes to the next stage. This open plan has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a study. The beautiful kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, ample cabinets for storage, and a walk-in pantry. The spacious master retreat is sure to please, with dual vanities and a walk-in closet. Give me a call today for more information. For more information, review the details below.